She woke up in a rusted bathroom, chained to a pipe. A TV flickered on. Hello, Emily. You've spent your life taking from others. Now choose your hand or your voice.
There is only one.
A hacksaw dropped beside her.
It's in the stock.
On the table,
So
a scalpel, a recorder, and a timer ticking down from 60.
live or die.
She screamed, begging, but no one came. With trembling hands, she chose the scalpel. 30 seconds later, her scream stopped forever. The TV crackled again. Game over. The door creaked open. Someone else was watching and clapping.